Hello, my name is Scott Smith. I'm doing a video presentation for FTT122, class number 57401. Today's date is October 26th, 2025. Today we're going to be finishing up for the course. We're going to be doing some work with some bullets. I am picking the 3030 as my main bullet. We wanted to remove that bullet from the cartridge. So we want to get the projectile out. I've got it set in there. I've got it squeezed down. I didn't get it squeezed down enough, but I didn't quite get it squeezed down enough, but you know what? I got the bullet out. You'll want to make sure you're getting it squeezed down and making sure it doesn't come out, because if this had powder in it, you would have got powder all over the place. So now we have my bullet and my cartridge. We're also missing the powder and the primer. Our next step, we're going to do a scale drawing of it and with the two individual pieces. Now that I've got my hammer, bullet hammer and everything put away, let's go ahead and work on getting a measurement and scale drawing on this. Now, unfortunately, we'll show you how to do it again. The last video ran long, so we're doing it again. I've got my 3030 here. I have actually done all 4 bullets that I have left. I tore them all apart, used the bullet hammer, got them into their pieces, and did that. Pretty much we just lay it down and we draw around it. I like to draw around that and the projectile so I can get my projectile sizes too. So let's do a length of the projectile. I'm going to sew it in. I'm going to tighten it up. 8.8445 is our bullet length. Now I did that to all of our pieces. I did it to the neck. I did it to the rim, the total length of the cartridge. I did it to the narrow part of the bullet, the bigger part of the bullet. Got as much information as I can out of it. We just want to make sure we put it on there, and then we have all the information about that bullet that we can do. Now, as you can see here, I've actually done it to all of the bullets, and I've done it to all of my pieces, or all the parts. So to look up the information that I need to have, I'm going to go up in my search engine block right here. Right up in the corner here. And I'm going to type in 3030 Winchester. And it's going to go through and it's going to highlight anything in this whole book of Cartridges of the World that talks about 3030 Winchester. But I want to know exactly about the book, or the bullet of the cartridge, I mean. So this is what I want. I went ahead and printed this off. By printing this off, I now have a copy of it. It shows me my powder that I should run if I'm doing a certain type of bullet, the grains I should have, the velocity if I did those grains, the energy used, the source, all that wonderful information that's on here. So 3030 is also referred to as .30 WCF. It holds the distinction of being the first American small-bore sport cartridge to utilize smokeless powder. Developed by Winchester and introduced in 1895, the originally available in chambers options for the 1894 lever action. The original one featured a 160 grain soft point bullet propelled by 30 grains of smokeless powder, which gives it the designation .30-30. The 3030 was adapted to use in several Winchester models, including the Model 54 bolt action. Apologize for that. And the Model 55 and the 64 lever action. Marlin incorporated its cartridge into the Model 1893, lever action was well known and improved into the Model 36, which I am proud to say that I do own. Then there's the Model 36.6 or 33.6. So it's been around. This cartridge has been around for years. It's been used all across the world. Now it comes in different loads now, 150 grains to 170 grain bullets. So some different sizes. They've been some different stuff. Despite its designation, the cartridge utilizes a 308 diameter projectile. The Cartridge of the World textbook serves as essential reference for gunsmiths by providing comprehensive information on a wide variety of cartridges, including their dimensions, performance data, historical context. And by using the measurements you obtained from disassembling the cartridge, you can accurately identify the cartridge in the textbook, ensuring precise repairs, restoration, or custom work. Resources like Cartridge of the World are invaluable to everyday work for a gunsmith because they offer a reliable technical specifications and historical insights, allowing for informed discussion making when working with unfamiliar or obsolete ammunition. The level of detail helps prevent errors, supports safe firearm operation, and enriches the gunsmith's understanding of the evolution and diversity of cartridges encountered in their profession. Thank you for watching. This was Scott Smith for FTT122, class number 57401. Today's date is October 26th, 2025.